Hi, welcome to Kyong's kitchen. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to share with you delicious ranch dressing, totally in vegan way. So let's go and start. First you will need 1 package tofu from Mori-No. Okay, I'm going to go and put it in the blender first, and then I'm going to show you what the box looks like. It has some water in it. It will look like this. The Mori-No tofu, silken tofu. This one, there's 2 different kind of tofu. One is Mori-No silken, and one is called water pack. And if you cannot find this one from your local grocery store, you can just cut water pack tofu for the fourth. You can use 3 portions for this recipe, will work. And I ordered this one online, but whenever you make something like a really smooth, like a dressing or pudding, things like that, this tofu works really good. And next one, you will need 2 tablespoons lemon juice and half teaspoon parsley flakes. And next one, you will need a half teaspoon onion powder. Somehow got stuck. Yeah, let's get it all out. Half teaspoon onion powder. Then half teaspoon garlic powder. And what is next? You will need a half teaspoon dill weed and 1 teaspoon sea salt. And next one, we will need half tablespoon basil, sweet basil. Sweet basil is such a good for your digestive system. So if you have any gas problem, you cannot digest food, or you have Beijing problem, make some tea and drink it. It will really work for you. God's natural remedy. And 1 tablespoon nutritional flake, and you will need a half cup water. Then you're gonna close this one and blend until nice and creamy. That's the key word, nice and creamy. And this is really delicious. I will maybe blend for about 45 seconds while it's working. I'm gonna go ahead and clear the table. Then I will show you what you can do with it. I think it is done. Yeah, that looks really good. I know the ranch dressing is my favorite. When I have salad, I cannot eat salad without dressing. How about you? But the store-bought ranch dressing, you know, they're kind of made with milk, so it has cholesterol in it. So this is cholesterol free. So much healthier. So what I will do, I'm gonna go ahead and put some little bit here so you can see what it look like. And that will be for my salad. And now I have some potato, steamed potato and cucumber. No, there's no cucumber. Carrots and some little chopped green onion. So I'm gonna go and put some here. And I'm going to mix it. So it's making lentil dressing, potato salad. That sounds good, doesn't it? And that will be my husband's lunch. And the tofu is very high in protein, calcium and iron, and magnesium, B vitamin 6. So what I will do, now I will go ahead and put it out in the plate. That looks yummy, yummy, yummy. How about that? You know, you can actually do all kind of things. You know, you can have some fresh cut vegetables that you can use as a dipping sauce. And if you love rice, like me, you can mix it with the rice. So I'm gonna go and put some cilantro on top, like that. And let's go ahead and accent with sliced tomatoes. And presentation is everything for the cooking. How about that? That looks really good. Now I'm going to show you how to make pasta salad with it. So I have some left over here. Let's get it all out. And I'm going to mix it. This one has pasta, some chopped onions, and some steamed carrots. And this is going to be my lunch. How simple is that? So I will bring another plate and serve here. And tofu is such a good for heart and very antioxidant. So you will fight for cancer. If you have any hot flash from through the menopause, then it's wonderful, wonderful natural estrogen in it. So let me go and put some sliced orange here. Then I will put some more cilantro. I love cilantro. The other day I had the cilantro salsa, and that's really, really good. I'm going to air that for you pretty soon. So how about that? How simple, easy, and delicious. So thank you for watching. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.